Y'all, I have to make a public service announcement. Y'all, there was so many people coughing on the subway without covering their mouths. And, you know, like, with this news, I'm like, y'all need to chill out. You need to just cough right here into that shoulder, mama, okay? Right here. I'll take this over nothing, but, like, this is also bad. Right here, okay? I know we have medical professionals in our lives. Right here, right? Okay. All right. Cover the mouth, all right? Cover the sneeze. Okay? Yeah, Just do each other and wash those hands, okay? On a regular basis. Hot water, soap. Let's all, just saying, okay? Let's do our part as citizens of New York and of the world to keep each other going well. All right? I'm like 2 steps from ordering masks off of Amazon. I don't care, y'all. I don't care. What do you mean? Right here.